And so we begin this time simply by taking a breath in, knowing that as we breathe in the allness of the world around us, that we connect with that presence of spirit, that presence of light, that presence that is divine itself. Taking this opportunity to turn our thoughts away from outer distractions, we focus solely on the inner. We know that during this time, things might try to distract us. And if they do, that's okay. We just simply acknowledge that distraction and then return our thoughts to right here, to our heart space. That inner presence of peace and spirit that is us. And so we breathe in, we release that breath. Calling forth our awareness of consciousness in this moment. We allow the knowledge that wherever we are, whatever our understanding of God is the right and perfect understanding for who we are right now. And we take a moment in stillness to be grateful for that understanding. As we feel that gratitude in our hearts, we also have the understanding that our consciousness is ever evolving, ever growing, ever expanding. That we are consciously and consistently growing in spirit. And so we take this as an opportunity here together in community to allow spirit to speak through us, to plant divine ideas, to grow and expand our understanding of what it is. And so in this place of unlimited possibility, unlimited potential, we allow our consciousness to grow as we rest in silence. Ever so gently, with hearts filled with gratitude, we allow ourselves to return to this place, to this time. We allow that awareness of the outer, of the realm of sense consciousness to begin to creep its way back in. But as it does, we carry with us into this world of forms an increased awareness of the power and the presence of spirit activity in our lives. And it is for that awareness of the activity of spirit that we are grateful. It is for the knowledge that we are constantly growing and expanding on our spiritual journey that we are grateful. And so it is with that gratitude in our hearts that we joyfully re-enter this Sunday. And so we say, thank you, Spirit, thank you, Spirit, thank you, Spirit. And so it is.